Your AI tool launched successfully. The executives love it. IT approved it. The metrics look great. But 6 months later, actual usage is only at 12%. Why does this keep happening? Hello everyone, it's Alan again. Let's talk about another reason that AI projects often fail in production. So here's one thing that happens. You build something technically impressive, but forget that humans are the ultimate judge of success. Here's some examples. Your Gen AI code assistant can generate perfect functions, but developers don't trust it because they don't understand how it arrived at the solution. Or your AI-powered expense tool automates approvals beautifully, but employees still use the old system because it's what they know. Or maybe your document summarization saves hours of work, but users get frustrated because they can't figure out how to craft prompts that give them useful results. What should be a 30-second task turns into a 10-minute struggle. And here's the kicker. Nobody taught them how to use the program effectively. You assume that because it's intuitive AI, people will just figure it out. But prompting is a skill. Understanding AI limitations is a skill. Building trust with AI outputs is a skill. And it gets worse. Your AI changes their workflow in ways they didn't expect. The customer service reps now need to review AI-generated responses instead of writing their own. The analysts need to validate AI insights instead of building their own reports. You've changed their job, but nobody prepared them for it. Why does this happen? Well, in most cases, AI teams build for the technology, not for the human experience. The typical process goes build a model, create a basic interface, deploy it, and assume adoption will follow. But you never study how people actually work today. You never tested the user experience with real users doing real tasks. Gen AI makes this worse because the interaction model is completely new to most people. They don't know how to prompt effectively. They don't understand when to trust the output. They don't know how to iterate and refine their requests. So what's the fix? Design for humans first, technology second. Before you build, study how people actually work today. What are their pain points? What do they trust? How do they prefer to interact with tools? What would make them excited to change their workflow? Build with user experience as a core requirement. Test early and often with real users doing real tasks. Make the interface intuitive, the feedback clear, and the value obvious. And don't forget this part, invest in training and change management. Create tutorials, best practices guides, and prompt libraries. Show people not just how to use the tool, but how to use it well. Perhaps most importantly, make users feel empowered, not replaced. Show them how AI makes their job better, not how it makes them obsolete. If you've cracked the user adoption code, or if you've seen great examples of AI that people actually love to use, drop your story in the comments. What's the biggest user adoption surprise you've encountered? What about the struggles? Let's help each other build AI for production that users actually enjoy, not just cool technical demos.